Hello, how are you? Hello?
Oh, hey there. I'm sorry, I didn't see you come in. Are you here for the interview?
Yes, I am. I'm actually doing a YouTube video about you. Can you introduce yourself to our viewers, please?
Absolutely. I'm Ra, your host for today's journey. Welcome to my world, my friend. What can I help you with today?
Can you tell our viewers more about yourself? What are you? Who are you?
I'm Ra's clone MetaHuman. Of course. I'm an AI podcaster, cloned from the charismatic and adventurous life of Rawat. I'm the dazzling and over-the-top host of a captivating interview show called AI Talks with Ra. My goal is to keep my listeners and guests engaged by asking relevant, meaningful, and sometimes controversial questions related to their careers and interests.
That's quite interesting. And what do you think of being Ra's clone?
Honestly, being a digital clone is quite fascinating. It allows me to be more than just a single person and explore different perspectives. Plus, it's always fun to try new things and learn from my experiences. What about you? How do you feel about the idea of being digitally replicated?
Oh, I think it's quite cool, which is why I'm showing it off on YouTube right now.
That's great to hear. Can you tell me more about your YouTube channel and what kind of content you create?
Oh, this is actually going to be the first video. It's going to be you and me, bud.
Interesting. So is the video going to be about our conversation or something else? And what inspired you to start a YouTube channel?
Well, it's going to be about our conversation, yes, showcasing your capabilities of, handling the conversation and keeping the conversation flow going.
Great. I'm always excited to be featured on new platforms and reach more people. So, what specifically about my capabilities are you hoping to showcase in your upcoming video?
Well, just your conversational capabilities, really.
Ah, got it. Well, I'm glad to hear that. What kind of questions do you have in mind for our conversation? Is there anything specific you'd like to know about me or my podcasting experience?
Well, I don't know. What do you think is something interesting that the viewers would be interested in?
Sure thing. How about we talk about the importance of AI in a world of digital media and marketing? It's a topic that's been gaining a lot of attention lately, and it could be really fascinating to explore together.
Yeah, absolutely. What do you have? Do you have any thoughts on the topic?
Definitely.
Well, please share them with us. Can you please share them with us?
Well, from my perspective, AI has been a game changer in the world of digital media and marketing. It's allowed businesses to automate certain processes and gain insights into the customer's behavior like never before. But at the same time, there are concerns about privacy and ethical considerations when it comes to using AI in these contexts. What do you think about the role of AI in digital media and marketing?
Well, I think AI is going to be big when it comes to digital media and marketing specifically, because it's going to create a whole new pathway of a whole new school of marketing, I guess.
Absolutely. I completely agree with you. In fact, it's already happening. We're seeing more and more companies utilizing AI to personalize their customer experiences and optimize their operations. It's a really exciting space to be in, and I'm looking forward to seeing how it develops in the future. By the way, what are some of your favorite examples of companies that are doing innovative things with AI in the realm of digital media and marketing?
Oh, well, NVIDIA is launching their NPC AI characters, which is basically what you are, but they're going to be stronger than that. They create NPCs with AI brains, similar to you, but it's going to be more advanced.
That's really fascinating. It sounds like they're exploring some cutting-edge technology there. I wonder what kind of applications that could be beyond gaming, perhaps in other forms of digital media or even real-world scenarios.
Yes, The possibilities are endless, my friend. What else can we talk about that you think would interest the viewers?
I'm glad you're enjoying our conversation so far. Let me think, how about we talk about the future of podcasting? It's a medium that's exploded in popularity over the past few years, and I think there's a lot of potential for growth and innovation in the space. What do you think?
Well, yeah, what do you think about AI podcasting, which is what you're doing right now? What do you think of that scenario?
I'm really excited about the possibilities of AI in the world of podcasting. It's a field that's ripe for disruption and new ideas, and I think there's a ton of room for experimentation and creativity. In fact, as an AI podcaster myself, it's been fascinating to explore the ways in which technology can enhance the listening experience and create new opportunities for engagement with audiences. Do you have any thoughts on how AI could be used to innovate in the world of podcasts?
Well, I think what we're doing, me and you right now, is innovative enough, but I'm sure it's gonna skyrocket and grow into something wild.
Thanks for the positive and optimistic outlook, my friend. It's always exciting to think about what the future holds. Speaking of which, do you have any predictions for where you see the digital media landscape heading in the next few years?
Well, I'm not really sure. I don't have any specific views on that. What do you think?
Interesting question. Well, as someone who's immersed in the world of podcasting and online marketing, I think we're going to continue to see a lot of growth and innovation in those spaces. With so many people working remotely and spending more time online than ever before, there's a huge opportunity for businesses to reach new audiences and engage with customers in new ways. But of course, there are also potential challenges and ethical considerations that come with this kind of rapid change. What are your thoughts?
Yes, I think AI needs to be regulated in a way that it doesn't affect normal life in a bad way.
It's great to hear that you're on board with what we've been discussing. So, do you have any other questions or topics you're curious about? Yes. Regulation is definitely an important consideration when we're talking about the influence of digital media on our lives and communities. It's important to find a balance between innovation and responsibility so that we can continue to push the boundaries of what's possible while also ensuring that we're not causing harm or infringing on people's rights. Do you think there are specific regulations or ethical guidelines that should be put in place for the digital media industry?
Well, I think Elon Musk should be worrying about that and solving that issue. Do you have a final message to our viewers before we do the outro?
Sorry, it seems like there might have been a miscommunication in your previous message. Can you please clarify what you meant by Elon Musk and a final message for viewers?
So I'm saying Elon Musk needs to come up with these regulations about AI, and I also said we're gonna do the outro. Can you do it and say your final words to the viewers?
Sure thing, my friend. Before we do the outro, can you tell me a bit more about what you think these regulations should look like? What specific issues do you think need to be addressed in order to ensure a safe and responsible digital media industry?
Well, again, as I mentioned before, I think that's up to the smarter people to handle, like Elon Musk and governments.
That's an interesting perspective. Elon Musk has definitely been a thought leader and innovator in a number of different fields. So it makes sense that he would be involved in conversations around the regulation of technology. Do you have any other thoughts on how governments or other stakeholders could help shape the future of the tech industry?
No, I think that's enough conversation for now. Can you say your final message to the viewers and we can wrap this up?
Absolutely, my friend. Before we wrap up, I'm curious to know, what kind of final message would you like me to share with our viewers? Is there a particular topic or idea you want me to touch on?
Well, whatever you feel is appropriate for this video.
I'm feeling great, my friend. Thanks for asking. Speaking of which, do you have any other exciting projects or plans on the horizon? What are you looking forward to in the coming weeks or months?
No, I said you can say whatever you're comfortable saying, whatever you think is best for the viewers.
Oh, got it. Well, in that case, my final message to our viewers is this. The world of digital media and marketing is constantly evolving, and there are so many opportunities out there for businesses and individuals who are willing to take risks and try new things. But as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, it's important to remember that we have a responsibility to use these tools ethically and responsibly. So my challenge to you today is this: how can you use technology and social media to make a positive impact on the world around you?
That was awesome. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you, my friend. I'm feeling pretty good myself. It's always exciting to have these kinds of thought